Hello my friend, Vincent from Prosub as always. Today very exciting and privileged to have my special guest friend today.
I'm Michael.
Yes, Michael, a very handsome and capable boy here. So without further ado, let's jump right into it as our Sublimation Shin special feature video today.
On the football pitch, shin guards that combine utility and style are the top choice for players.
These incredible and beautiful custom shin guards, blending protection with high definition patterns, are made through sublimation technology.
So, what's the secret behind them?
Well, all you can need is this A3 deep version sublimation machine. Well, from the appearance, as we can see here, there are four main gadgets here. The first one is the control panel to control the pressure, and the second one to control the temperature. And this one is the pressure indicator, and this one specifically is the switcher. While you are working the machine, you can rotate it externally to start the machine and press it down to end the machine.
What about inside? Is there any other component?
Well, good question. Let's open and check it out what's inside. As you can see, this is the top cover plate, and this is the lower cover plate to heat the machine while you are printing the products. And it also equipped with the strong pump. And finally, we got this silicone sealing strip to prevent the heatiness from losing. Generally, the machine consists of two heating plates, and today we are going to print the sublimation shin guard, so this kind of plate is not going to work.
Yes. This plate is what we need today for printing the shin guard. And here is the mold of the shin guard. You can see.
So let's check out inside what is the machine.
This plate can perfectly fit this machine.
This sublimation diversion machine is good to handle many situations, and 4 small sublimation jigs and 3 medium sublimation jig, and finally we can apply 2 large sublimation jig inside of this machine.
It is so efficient.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, let's move forward to show you how to print the shin guard from this blend to this incredible result.
Oh, I can't wait to see it. Let's go. The workflow is plain and simple. Print, dry, mount, vacuum, heat, and peel it off. Pay attention that the temperature should be set at 130 to 140 degrees. And the time should be about 4 to 6 minutes.
Look at color, so nice.
Well, yes, exactly. Yeah. The ink and the colors and the patterns have been permeated into the subjects of the cases, making it really waterproof, wear resistant, and long durability. Prosub provides both professional machines and matching consumables to ensure your product stability.
Choose us for more efficient and worry-free curve sublimation customization.